this video, me I go explore the killing of the DPP in Trinidad, and this DPP is the one who's handling 6 Dan case. You know, we all know Trinidad is in a state of emergency, and with the emergency power, police have the power to search, lock up, detain people, but there's no curfew because the business is running. Now, once again, you know, this shows how vicious and dangerous Trinidad and Tobago is, that little twin island. And them have a thing over there we called rich badness. And also, them have more guns than anything else to blow out. Them have a place in Trinidad with them call name Rifle Hill. And enough of the youth, them will also demand them have money. Youth like Prezi, and the list goes on and on and on. You see what I'm saying? Remember now, you know, them a get real money from drugs and from contracts by government. And when them man they get all money, all $5 million, you know, dog, from government, you know, for the contracts. So you cannot see what the cycle is. But if the police, them and the government really want to fight crime in Trinidad, St. Lucia, Jamaica and these places, the politicians them really have to go step up and get some mother effing balls, you understand, and put the right things in place to make the people them have a safe and good life in them own country. Listen, let's go and get into this video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised. Look at the picture right in front of you. That's Randall Actor or Hector, and he is the DPP prosecuting 6 Dan, the gang member from Trinidad who is running the 6 gang. Well, the man them slap him away, them kill him right after him come out of church, right after he did a sermon, then shoot him in front of his wife and kids. Now, me just a show you how Trinidad is, you know. And this is to send a message to law enforcement. Now, the people are saying that it is probably Prezi who did this to set up 6 Dan. That's bullshit. I am coming straight out and say this. You see, this prosecutor DPP murder a day ago, 6 Dan is responsible for this. If he's not responsible, it's his little henchman them. You understand? And this shows you the kind of intelligence that these gang members are fucking working with. If them can't kill a prosecutor, this is like in Jamaica them kill Paula Llewellyn. If them can't kill a prosecutor, in a Trinidad like this, who is safe in that fucking country? Eh? Tell me. Yo, let me tell them. Trinidad a rich badness. I see them little island in Trinidad, St. Lucia, St. Vincent. The man them thinks say a cakewalk. Cakewalk my motherfucking ass. Me I tell you no way go down in this. Let's go. Now, look at that picture right there. That's the picture of the van where the man them sit down in a round by St. Paul Street and wait for 6 Dan for when him come signing and try to assassinate him. Remember me talk about that in the video day before yesterday, and I showed that, listen, them police here, what kind of intelligence. So 6 Dan is under the notion that the police them is working with the 7 gang, because that car, that van sat in front of the police station for hours upon hours waiting for 6 Dan because they know some of us come sign in that day. Now when that went down, 6 Dan take some action. Now the word from my intel is that Michael, St. Michael, the big bald brother, who they are England, who they get shot in the face. The intel say 6 Dan in the behind the 5 people will get killed up there. So me have the video, but you know, me have to show a blurred picture because of YouTube. So anybody want to see that video, I do have it. But 6 Dan them a say retaliate, and then when they retaliate, the police called a state of emergency after the 5 people them dead. Cause they're saying after the assassination attempt on his life again, they fear that retaliation, which 5 people dead. Michael, St. Michael, or the boy they name, the big bald rich boy will live beside the Prime Minister. They must say people from upper Feme side and Feme camp get slapped by 6 Dan. That triggered the state of emergency. Now, it says right here, attorney Randall Hector, a lawyer who was prosecuting a known gang member 6 Dan, was killed Tuesday night in Port of Spain. This is New Year's Eve. There was an attempt on the gang member life outside the Belize Street police station on Saturday, and fear of reprisal killing was the main factor. Them said the government set up the state of emergency. Now, like I pointed out earlier, somebody was trying to convince me that 6 Dan didn't have anything to do with this because he was in jail, and I am telling my honorable homeboy and friend is that all this thing right here with the prosecutor getting Flingway, this was already in the making. And for the man them for watching, I know say yo, in other church, in other preach, you could tell they were scoping him out, and he didn't even realize it. And another thing, 6 Dan out of war is crazy. I must say crazy. You see how he move. He doesn't move too flashy, beyond the gold chain them, or maybe a one Rolex or whatever with him get, and him not too load up. But if you notice, and I did notice this about his gang, they work on good intelligence. Them get Django, them get couple people well, you understand? So the intelligence and the coordination and the execution of these acts and crime these guys do, it shows you the kind of level and the mentality that Six Dan is on, for real. When you have a crime, you have to have motive, and whether it's robbery, whether it's revenge or whatever. In this case right here, with this Attorney General, DPP get fling with, the person with the most motive would be Six Dan. And this killing right here is not a revenge killing. It is a killing to send a message. It's really a terror message to terrorize law enforcement. So look out for the police, them probably get attacked, which in a Trinidad, the man them kill corrections officer, then kill police, them kill gang member, them kill all politician to blood clot. A very, very unruly place. See, them nearly actually them did have a overthrow of the government by the Muslim, and then the Indian lady, when she was Prime Minister, let them out. But one thing I have to elaborate upon is that the killings and the murders, they're operating in the PMN constituencies, and the PMN has been in power for about 9 years, and all the killings, or most of the killings, is in their constituency. So you can see a linkage. Now, if me live in our country and me I work in a government as a prosecutor, and then kill a work colleague of mine like that, I don't know if I would take that case. It would have better if me go to the civil, go deal with marriage license and then blood clotting there. Because if the government is not protecting us, I wouldn't do them kind of work for the government. Me have to have real protection. So maybe the Trinidad government need to look into the security of these government employees who's dealing with these gangs, because like me say, them gang, yeah, especially the Six, not only the Six, but the Six seems to have more people in their affiliation, and them too enough like rice, the Six gang. But on some real note, if the government of Trinidad is gonna fight gangs to the level, because Jamaica have the same problem, you know, and Jamaica have more murder than Trinidad, but it's half the population. So if you multiply Trinidad death rate by 2, you're going to see Trinidad and Jamaica is neck and neck. I think it might beat Jamaica by a couple. Jamaican police, them, you see how them deal with gangster. Them go for them and kill them. Most of them have 182 shooting by police, which most of them disagree with. You know, the situation makes me topsy-turvy, because everybody knows that me I defend constitutional rights. I mean, I like some police, me not like thief, me not like gang member, me not like dirty thief in judge. I mean, hate politician them, dog. Me is a nationalist. I mean, I say it loud and clear. I am a nationalist. It's country first before anything. But if Trinidad and Jamaica want to rein in the gang situation in the country, they need to take an El Salvador approach. And that's how I am going to end this. I'm going to keep my ears on the ground with the intel on what's going on with this prosecutor murder, because remember now, you know, the man got church go preach New Year's Eve to blow out, and the gang member them know same day watch him, program him, and then wet him up. You understand? Look at that. Now, can there be other possible motive, whereas him wife? Yes. Family members, close friends who did that to him? Yes. Of course. But the motive right now, who have the strongest motive, would be 6 Dan. And I guess me arrest my case. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.